chaos in the ruling party ZVAITWA Zvakananda faction is where now seeing the President Emerson Mnangagwa, it is being said that he is now slowly beginning to distinguish his loyal allies from the backstabbers, which would approach now with President Emerson Mnangagwa. There are some individuals who are closer to him, but ambitions, and ambitions are ndokuti succeed mtungamiri wenyika, and they are doing all it takes panguva ine kuti vakwanise kustopa any other individual anoonekwa kunzi can be their threat. Don't subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Recently, we have seen this flyer ratiri kuona rinenge richitaura pamusoro pe-solidarity rally yeCAP3, which is scheduled for 16 June 2026. Panguva ino tipinda pahindo yamatinyarare anobuda nyora achiti, we are told that President Mnangagwa is slowly beginning to distinguish his loyal allies from his backstabbers over CAP3 as his confidence grows in Paul Tungwarara, who seems to be pushing CAP3 on his own. Meanwhile, KUTYA is becoming more sidelined as he drives CAP3 as a means to accept power from AD instead of pushing for 2030 for AD. Consequently, KUTYA has begun to threaten that the JOC will stop the June 16 event being organized by Tungwarara. KUTYA has become over-ambitious and jealous of Tungwarara, who is simply serving his principle. It's becoming clear that KUTYA has become the center of all ZANU-PF infighting and factionalism. Doma developments are kuda panguva ine kuchonokwanzi the ruling party ZANU-PF amsina kumira zvakanaka. Mafa is between vakomana vari close to the president vana Tungwarara nana Tagurei. Panguva ino they are trying to outshine each other. Kuchonokwa kunzi panguva ino they are threatening each other. Ma developments are kuda panguva ino. Tudze mafungiro enyu batodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like up on channel, turn the bell icon.